Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k minus 5 is equals to k, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here in the first method we find the values of k, or we find the roots of this equation. If you see directly into the question statement, it is not easy to find the values of k, but here we use the nice techniques to find the values of k. So here first we need to take a squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as k minus 5 whole square is equals to k square. So here we use the nice algebraic formula, but before this we move k square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes k minus 5 whole square minus k square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. According to this, you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we just substitute the values of x and y into the right hand side of this equation, and it will be written as the value of x is k minus 5, and this is minus y. The value of y is k into this is the value of x plus y. The value of x is k minus 5 plus the value of y is k, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and you see here this is negative k, this is positive k are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain this is minus 5 into, from here you see that this is k plus k be the like terms, and when we add these two terms we get here 2k minus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we multiply this minus 5 on both of these two values, and it will becomes here minus 5 times 2 becomes minus 10k, and minus minus plus, and 5 times 5 becomes 25, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we move plus 25 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 10k equals to minus 25. And now here in the next step, for the values of k we need to remove this minus 10 from here, so that's why we divide both of the sides by minus 10 on each of these terms. So when we divide by minus 10, it will be written as in this form. This is minus 10 and this minus 10 are gone, and we get here k is equals to, here this minus and minus are gone, and we divide both of these two terms with the table of 5, and we get 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So we get the value of k is equals to 5 over 2. And now in the next step, here we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k minus 5 is equals to k. And now we verify the above value of k, and we check that is this value of k be the solution or extraneous root. For this, we substitute this value of k on both of the sides, and it will be written as 5 over 2 minus 5 is equals to 5 over 2. So here we check that is both of the sides are equal or not. For this we need a little bit simplifications on here, so that first we multiply both of the sides by 2. When we multiply both of the sides by 2, it will be written as 2 multiplied by 5 by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 over 2. And now in the next step, here you see that this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 5 only minus this is 2 times 5 becomes 10 is equals to this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here 5 only. And now here you see that 5 minus 10 becomes here minus 5 is equals to plus 5. So you see that in the left hand side we have the negative term, and in the right hand side we have positive term. and this is not possible case. It is not possible that minus 5 is equals to plus 5. Okay, these are not equal. If these are not equal, this means that the above value of k is equals to 5 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that k equals to 5 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous rule because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further, you see here we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is k minus 5 is equals to k. So here in the second method, our second method be the straightforward method, and here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So for this we move this k to the right hand side. It will becomes minus 5 equals to k minus k. You see here these two are gone and we get minus 5 equals to 0, and we know that this is not possible case. So if this is not possible, this means that here we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.